Well, welcome back to Great Day Washington. May is full of celebrations. Cinco de Mayo, Mother's Day, and it's National Salad Month. Who knew? Well, Rebecca Scritchfield knew. She's back with her food and drink ideas to help us celebrate all of these occasions in a healthy way. Now, you're an anti-diet dietitian, and you have some ideas on how we can eat healthy and not feel like we're starving on a diet.
Absolutely. No diets allowed.
So where do we start?
Well, we're going to start by making friends with our ugly fruits and vegetables. So they're the kinds you might see at the store that don't look perfect, you know, little dents or blemishes. And the reality of it is that, you know, they grow that way, right? They still taste as good. They're still just as good for you. So what you're going to do is buy those anyway and pick up some Bolthouse Farms dressing. They're the official dresser of the ugly produce, and they make great salads. So I've got a couple ideas for you that are really going to add excitement and flavor to any dish. This is a Cinco de Mayo Mexican salad. So I've got jicama, again, a vegetable that doesn't really look that pretty but tastes delicious. And there's some black beans and avocado, cilantro. And for that, I used the creamy cilantro avocado dressing from Bolthouse Farms. And then another idea I had, this could be great for Mother's Day or really a busy weekday. Use the leftover vegetables from the previous night and then just add that to any salad greens you have on hand. I also added chickpeas. And this is with the classic ranch. It's one of my favorites. And you know, you really can use them anywhere. Bolthouse.com is going to have a store locator. I see these at Safeway and Giant, and you'll just have a good time helping your vegetables taste delicious.
What a colorful and vibrant meal. Now, what else did you bring for us?
Well, you know, for Mother's Day, I am a mom of two, so I love to offer the little hints. I would love a breakfast in bed or just a meal that I didn't have to cook myself for once in a while. So I wanted to show hummus toast and hummus flatbreads. So done two different ways. This is my example of breakfast in bed. I like using Sabra hummus. They have some of the best flavor varieties around. So this is a spinach and artichoke hummus, 2 spoons spread very heartily over a piece of whole grain bread with some sauteed spinach and then a soft boiled egg. That would be a great treat for mom. Or if you're going to take her out and about, a nice little picnic. I made these pinwheels. It's flatbread with hummus, your favorite veggies rolled up, little tomato on the side to help keep it together, but also make it colorful, and it's a nice, fun little finger food. So Sabra.com has lots of recipe ideas, and the main thing that you want to do is, besides a delicious party dip, use it as a spread on things like hummus toast and flatbreads.
Great, and this is so good if you're on the go too, because you can just eat it with your fingers and keep it moving. I see some festive items right in time for Cinco de Mayo.
Yes. So, you know, DIY taco bars are great and they can be really easy and fun to bring together. But I went the extra step, right, for the party, and I made homemade cassava flour tortillas. So this is what cassava flour looks like. And you'll see it's very fine. It has a mild flavor, and it could be used 1-to-1 with compared to wheat or white flour.
Really?
So this is from Bob's Red Mill.
Okay.
What's great about this, especially if you have anyone who has any food allergies or intolerances, but especially for this, gluten-free, nut-free, and grain-free, you can make these homemade tortillas. They look and taste delicious, and then everyone at the table can enjoy what you've prepared. So bobsredmill.com has more information about that. And some folks don't know what cassava is. It's a root. It's related to the potato, and the cassava flour is made from the whole cassava root.
Oh,
and you can even make brownies with it. So if you don't want to make the homemade tortillas, make some brownies.
Beautiful. And of course, we can't forget drinks.
Right. We have to have some drinks. So Palm Wonderful, this 8-ounce bottle here is made from whole pressing 2 whole pomegranates. So the rind, the pith, and the arils gives it that deep, festive ruby red color. Nothing artificial, nothing else added. I'm showing a palm punch here. It's frozen orange sliced up with sparkling water orange juice, the 100% pomegranate juice. It can make a great palm margarita at Cinco de Mayo, just saying. But palmwonderful.com has a lot of interesting food and drink recipes for that.
Thank you so much, Rebecca. I think I'll try one of each. And again, for more information on all of these great products and more about Rebecca's book, Body Kindness, just go to bodykindnessbook.com. This segment was sponsored by Body Kindness. We'll be